Start. Wow! Parang ino-orbit.
Paano mo
Try nga ako.
Hindi, ang bigat.
Ayan. So everyone, you may now proceed na po sa ating next station. Located po sa ating chemistry area, right side.
Engineering and electronics. Mamaya hindi mo na makikita. Yan, yung ipapasukan niya.
Ang ating coin po ay 100% safe. Pwede mo siya
Bibi, hindi to basta-basta dapat kahawakan. Iba hahawakan.
Pwede mo natin siya itulong sa ating coin. That is 100% safe kung wala po siyang kuryente. Ang ating coin ay nag-generate sa high voltage at low electricity current. That is 100% safe again. Pwede natin siya
Wala ng tao doon.
sa tipo ng ating coin.
Uy, Lego.
Simple circuit, only you do is connect the power supply. The bottom is the circuit. That is your electronics. Maybe I will
we're all settled down. So ito na po pala guys, so may nahulog po ang pagintay natin. Medyo nagkagano lang po sa ating kanan. So ito for now, dito na po tayo tinisara. Let's go. Okay, before we start, I want you to drink what the starting day we're having right now. Welcome to the biggest, boldest, and the most brain-boosting science interactive museum here in the Philippines. That's why education is innovation. Okay? So yes po, we all heard it right. Tayo po ang pinakamalaking science interactive museum in the Philippines because our museum spans 9,000 square meter or almost 1 hectare. So, naman po siyang maliit sa entrance, pero isa po siyang malaking U-turn once pumasok na po tayo sa loob. Okay? So I hope since medyo malaki na po yung ating lalakarin, I hope may energy pa po na. Kids, may energy pa po ba? May energy po na pag-breakfast sa McDonald's. Okay? So sana po, okay natin yung parang balance ng ano. Isa-isa yung mundo. Again, kids, hi! Hello! Okay, so we have seen
Kung gaming room, pwede tayo maglaro doon. That is baseball and basketball. Sa ating room, sa ating room, plasma ball. Plasma ball,
Lahat pala.
Nikola Tesla also. Same po sa ating Tesla coil that's invented by Nikola Tesla in 1891. And 1894, that is plasma ball invented. Plasma ball, gently place your hand sa surface po ng ating plasma ball and watch the electric filaments or yung red lights, pati na po yung blue lights, that is electric filaments, ayan po yung nagre-respond pag hinahawakan po natin ng ating plasma ball. And last for observation, that is magnetic levitation now. As you can see, the bulb is floating through the air. Lumulutang po yung ating bulb. That is because of the positive and negative magnet. That is for magnetic levitation now. Once again, this is our station 3. And we have 8 different rooms. We have engineering, electronics, number lab, animal cell, 2 gaming room that is ball and balance astronaut. We have Tesla coil, plasma ball, and magnetic levitation now.
Tesla ko yun. Tesla ko yun. Uy, nakuryente ako.
Such as telephones, dogs,
Ay, bakit sa kamay ko?
water tumblers, as well as UMC mechanical,
Yan eh, kita mo yun.
tool and gas item. Once again, this is our station 3 and we are units per station. Kailangan na po natin tapusin yung units. After that, magpapasit po tayo sa next stations.
Wow! Ano kapag bear hand? Ano kapag kamay? Wow! Pinig ko nataas ang buhok dito.
That is all the units. Cover po natin po sa mga so po sa
It feels like a galaxy.
And this is so cool. Oh, that's bacteria. Nasty bacteria.
Kuya, ano yung mga parts ng
Okay, you have 5 minutes to go. Sleeping stations. After the 5 minutes, na pa tayo magpo-proceed sa next station. Because iniiwasan po natin yung pagkakahalo-halo ng ibang school at ibang estudyante. Kaya meron po tayong sinusunod ng oras. We have 5 minutes pa po. Pwede pa po tayong mag-ikot. And pwede pa po tayong mag-try sa iba't ibang room. But sa ating mga interactive items, please handle them with care to avoid penalties and damages.
Tricycle, mamaya pa. Pwede yung is that ito yung maliit.
Looks like a ball.
Don't touch. Don't touch. I swear, don't touch.
Looks like a ball.
Yes, yes.
Look like a poop.
This is the massive.
How is that big?
Probably I can see. That's why I have my
Oh, animal.
Mamaya pa lang.
Parang kakain ko yung kamay ko.
Mamaya pa.
Probably 5 minutes. I wanna see a chameleon.
po.